We are here at the park, and today I'm going to take you to Christkindl Market, which is a German-inspired market. There are two Christkindl markets in Chicago, the one in downtown and the one at Wrigleyville. I haven't been to the one at Wrigleyville, so I'm going to see that one today, check it out. So if you're in Chicago during the holidays, Christkindl Market is one of the things that you can check out for holiday stuff. You know, it's a German-inspired market. They sell a lot of stuff there for Christmas. It opens from November 22nd to December 31st. So let's go. This is a Christkindl Market at Wrigleyville. We have the ice rink. We have the Wrigley Field. All sorts of candies here. Santa. What are these? What do you have here? Look, Christmas soda. Dun dun dun. Come up with a different design every year. I like this year's design with the German flag.